Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest kitchen appliances that make healthy living easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the world of juicing with a remarkable product that will revolutionize the way you prepare your favorite fruit and vegetable juices. Introducing the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11 from the Effortless series. With its sleek design and powerful capabilities, this juicer is a game-changer for anyone looking to extract every drop of nutrition from their produce. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11 so exceptional. First and foremost, the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11 utilizes a slow masticating cold press technology. Unlike traditional juicers that use high-speed blades, this innovative process gently squeezes the fruits and vegetables to preserve essential nutrients and enzymes. The result? Healthier, tastier juices that retain their vibrant colors and flavors. But that's not all. One of the standout features of this juicer is its extra-large hopper, which eliminates the need for prepping your produce. Simply toss in whole fruits and vegetables, and let the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11 do the rest. It effortlessly processes even the largest pieces of produce, saving you precious time and effort. Another remarkable aspect of this juicer is its impressive 68-ounce capacity. With such a generous size, you can easily make large batches of juice to share with your family or store for later. Say goodbye to multiple rounds of juicing and hello to convenience. Additionally, this juicer is designed with user convenience in mind. It features an easy-to-use control panel with intuitive buttons and a reverse function to prevent clogging. Cleaning up after your juicing session is also a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher safe parts. With the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11, you can enjoy the benefits of fresh, homemade juices without the hassle. It's the perfect companion for anyone looking to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet. So, if you're ready to take your juicing experience to the next level, we highly recommend the Omega Juicer JC2022BK11 Slow Masticating Cold Press Vegetable and Fruit Juice Extractor. It's the ultimate juicing solution for health-conscious individuals who value efficiency and quality. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen gadget reviews and healthy living tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy juicing.